Hey yo! Welcome back to Half-Life 2! With this guy with the cool fucking eyeballs.
Hey yo, Vortigaunt check.
So we have a gun attached to my boat. Okay!
He doesn't want you to
Obviously,
explain it to the
people are impatient, so
Power to the people.
let's do this.
Power to the people.
Wait, are those fucking thingies?
Those are the
Oh,
lippers.
they are. Ew! Oh my god.
Those are lippers, bro.
I have a gun on my fucking boat, dude!
You like it.
Yeah, I fucking like it. Of course I like it. Oh shit. It's the fucking helicopter! No! My sad little pupils. Wait, is it leaving? Is it leaving? I think it's leaving. Oh my god. Oh fuck, dude. I guess I go in here. Yeah. Wait. Why? Fuck you, assholes. Fuck you. Fuck you. I have a gun on my boat. Fear me, motherfuckers. I don't know how to drive the boat, but fear me, motherfuckers. Okay. Can I go up there? I don't think I can.
No. You gotta ask the Lord and Savior.
Who? G-Man? Gabe Newell? G-Man. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, come on!
Who do you think G-Man's employers are? Val. I'm talking about Val.
Is that what that is? This whole time? Wait, are there stairs over there? No. Oh my god. Are you serious? Can I shoot them? I mean, I guess tanks do their job, right? Oh my god. Look at this fucking guy. I missed him. It's okay. We'll just keep going. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ow. And fuck you. Ow.
Rep.
No.
Barrels of fun
No.
begins. Like, I think
I'm just gonna try and dodge this guy.
Freeman is radio, not radio, I think he's magnetic.
Oh my god. Okay. I got him that time. 71 health. Fucking barrel dudes. Fuck you, barrel guys. I don't know. I don't know. It just kind of happened.
Showing off, that's what it is. Showing off your Mondo barrel skills.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Going down.
Oh, loading?
You're depleting.
I'm scared. God.
You're afraid of
Okay.
what comes next.
So like, I like the fucking. Oh, I don't like this though. I was trying to like stop so I can talk a bit. So I like the gun shooting, but I don't know. Maybe it's because it's been a while since I last played this, but like driving this. Oh no, fuck. It's fucking tough. Oh fuck, dude.
It's a tough man.
Oh my god, can I just leave? I just want to go home. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go back to Black Medicine.
Actually, that would. Oh my god. Die, zombie! That would probably. Ew, no! Stop! I don't like them! I don't
There
like
he
them.
is.
Who?
The G-Man, bro.
Up here? I don't want to work anymore.
Watch.
What the fuck? Okay, so there were two paths there. I'm gonna go this way. Because obviously. Oh, fuck. I was about to say there's obviously no like enemies, but obviously there is.
Obviously, there's enemies if you're shooting at stuff.
What the fuck is this? Oh my god.
It's barrel.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you shitting me, dude?
Barrels are fun.
Is that all of them? Dude, I'm running out of health. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
What the
god.
fuck was that?
I reversed into the fire. I am sorry.
Like, you showing off your driving skills in this room.
Okay, so there's enemies here. Die, zombie!
Not zombies, bro. They're aliens.
Oh my god. Did I kill him? Oh no, I didn't. He just hit. Oh my god, why shit keep exploding? Wait, wait, wait. One of those fucking ceiling lickers. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh shit, I got. Oh, there's someone up there. There's someone up there. There's someone up there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a fucking fire barrel. Motherfucker. I think I really need healing. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
I love your commentary, bro. You have the deepest commentary.
Yo, I'm almost dead. Oh my god, no, no, no.
What?
This is a lot.
What's a lot?
All of this.
You can't handle that?
It's kind of a lot, yeah. Wait, there's boxes in here. Hold on. Wait, there's boxes. Oh my god, yes. What the fuck? There's another one. Wait, hold on. Is there healing in this one too? This isn't open. Oh, it's not open. It feels sad, man. Oh my god, what the fuck is happening, dude? Oh my god! Oh my god! Excuse me? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What do I do? What do I do? I don't know what to do! Panic, panic, panic! I'm getting out. I'm going in here. It feels safer in here. Oh my god. No, it's not safer.
Not safe.
Where are they coming from? Okay, so I saw this one, but it looks like there was one coming from the other side. I'm running. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. Okay, so there's nothing over here, because I don't see any missiles coming from it. What do I do?
I think you know what to do. Use the force, dude. I was wondering why I got silent for a second.
There's a ramp over here, though. But how do I get inside?
You want me to tell you?
No.
Then why are you asking?
I'm thinking out loud, dude.
Oh. I thought you were talking to me.
Wait, I want to get this.
You'll die
Ouch.
trying.
Probably. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Yep. Dead. That's how things
Like, this shit is solid. I can't fucking go through that.
Maybe,
Wait, wood.
Maybe if you go fast enough.
You think?
Try it. You can get in full speed.
Wait, this seems dangerous. They're gonna shoot this. This is why this is here. They want to shoot me and fucking
Blow your glass.
blow me up. Wait, where's my boat? Oh my fucking god, dude. I'm getting fucking annihilated here. I can't get out! Relax! Oh my god.
They never run out of ammo.
Oh my god! Where the fuck do I go? No! What the fuck? It doesn't work!
You didn't go fast enough.
It doesn't work, dude.
You didn't go fast enough.
Is there like some... Oh my god, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I don't know what to do. Look at the graffiti. Oh my god. Wait. Hold on. Okay, let's pick up the healing again over here. Alright. Okay, so let's think about this. So there was the wood I couldn't drive through. And the fucking pillars I couldn't drive through. Maybe there's like... Oh, oops.
What if you tried driving through the boat?
The boat? No. Because obviously, no. But none of these gaps are fucking big enough for me to fit through. Oh shit. Oh shit. Crate. Oh my god, I'm anxious. I'm anxious and confused.
You want a tip, dude?
What? No.
I'll give you the pro tip.
Wait. Hold on. Okay, I'm about to fucking wow you right now. I think I might have a big brain idea. Remember the little explosive barrels?
The 4th of December?
The 5th of November?
Whatever, dude.
Remember the little explosive barrels inside the thingy? Like this?
What about them?
What if that was there for me to, like, break the wood that's on the side of it?
I don't know.
Wait, but how will I break it? I can't get in there. Oh! Okay. Hold on. Let me try this. Let's see. I might have big brain.
You might have no brain.
Maybe.
I think I got no brain.
Because I'm about
Play
to...
this shit.
Okay.
I don't want to be so mean to say that I got no brain because of you.
I was right!
Oh, you got big brain.
I think. Wait, can my boat fit through here?
You wouldn't even make it. You would die trying.
You're rude. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god!
Calling me rude?
Okay, sorry. My cats are like
On the
fucking
fritz,
causing like ruckus in the background.
They're trying to,
Cool!
like, set the house off
Holy
fire.
shit! Wait, why are they so shooting? You don't see me!
They don't give up.
I'm literally about to die. Where do I go after this?
Onward. Onward and upward.
Where's onward? Okay, so that's a dead end.
You gotta get good, scrub.
What about here? Wait, what's down there? Ow! That hurts. I'm gonna die because I fucking run into walls. I wish I could board these boats.
Why?
Because I feel like they would have some goodies on there.
They look old.
But they might have old goodies.
Old goodies?
Oh, wait.
You want
Here.
moldy goodies?
A little bit. Moldy goodies is better than no goodies at all.
I don't know. Moldy goodies can make you sick.
Oh, shit. We're entering a new area.
I think you might be getting sick.
I really need to heal. There's no healing over here?
No healing.
Really?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh no, this is not good. Ow. Oh my god, what is this place? Oh, I see a box over here. Ow! That didn't help me. I don't want suit fucking shit. I want healing, dude. The fuck? Oh, wait. Can I get on this boat?
Congrats.
I'm on a boat.
Your lifelong dream of being on a boat.
I'm on this boat.
Maybe it's the Borealis. She doesn't get it, guys.
Have you
I
ever
get it.
been on a cruise ship or anything? Or on a boat?
I've been on boats, but not on cruise ships.
I think the only boats that I've been on, I don't know if you even like consider them boats. I've been on kayaks
Yeah, that's
and
a
like
boat.
canoes. But I feel like boats have like motors, maybe?
No,
Or
dude,
sails?
they're all boats. They're all boats.
They're all forms of boats.
There's rowboats, which is a kayak and a canoe.
Oh,
Then
shit.
there's sailboats, which uses the wind for propulsion. And then there's motorboats, but they're all boats. It's kind of like, okay, you know how we have cars and we have trucks? They're all automobiles. You know?
Interesting. What the fuck is that?
It's like a water tower boat. I like that they're giving you like a nice peaceful spot for once.
That's the helicopter. That's the helicopter caught in the simulation.
I'm glad they're giving you some downtime, bro.
Wait, I'm kind of scared to get close to it though. Okay, that's not something for me.
Those are grenades, but
They're
you're
not
full.
for me.
You're full. Gotta use your grenades.
Yeah, so they're not for me.
Use your granada and they could be.
Okay, that's really stressful.
What, using granada?
No, it's really stressful that I think I might... Is this a boss fight? I think I might be coming to a boss fight.
Well,
I am uncomfy. I'm uncomfy.
you don't like the calm before the storm?
No. Hold on, let's watch it. Is it gonna come? I'm so scared, dude. Oh, fuck. Nope. I don't like that. Oh my god, it's going. Shoot it!
Dude,
Start shooting it!
You've been dealing with this thing for a while now. It's not that
Yeah,
hard.
I'm fucking tired of it, dude. That was too far.
Well, now you finally have a means to really deal with
Are these fire barrels? Oh my god, I don't like this. I really fucking hate this. I really fucking hate this, dude. I gotta hide from it. I'm using these pillars. Oh my god, to my advantage, but it's obviously not working. Why red fucking cross hair? Is it working? I can't tell.
I mean, it's on
Or
fire.
are they shooting missiles at me? I can't tell if it's working or if shooting missiles.
I mean, dude, it's on fire, bro. That's the thing.
Where are they?
Those are bullets.
Is it glitched out?
Maybe. You dead, bro. You dead, bro.
No. Oh my god, dude. I have 8 health again. So now I have to go fucking get all the healing that I got. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I have plans. I'm gonna get the healings before the helicopter comes out. And then I'm gonna save so I don't have to fucking deal with it anymore.
Look, bro. You do whatever you need to do, man. The fact of the matter is, this guy is gonna get in the helicopter and he's gonna shoot you.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what you
I wish
do.
I could get him before he gets into the helicopter. Nope, too far.
Maybe you
I feel like that's the line. It's not.
Did you guys know that Gordon Freeman is 4 foot 8 inches tall? And he can't reach anything on his own.
Wait, how tall?
4 foot 8. He qualifies as a dwarf in like 19 states.
You're lying. This is not accurate lore. Everyone, don't listen.
Let me look it up.
I feel like that's not right. God damn. Where's the line again? I don't know. I don't know where the trigger point is.
Gordon Freeman height. Oh shit.
He's 4'8".
Dude, he is!
Wait, no, you're lying.
Nah, yeah.
Stop.
He's 6 foot 2.
The fuck? That's tall.
Yeah, he's really tall. He's 6 foot 2, 192 pounds. And his alignment is chaotic good.
Excuse me.
I mean, he is pretty chaotic. Look at the shit he does. He's like all over.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh
What
my
do I
God,
do?
oh
What do
my
I
God,
do?
oh my
What do I
God,
do? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Kill it. Being a little whiny little friggin' whine fest. I almost said some things that would get me censored, but I just said it. How smart is Gordon Freeman?
Ah! I'm just gonna hide behind my pillar where I feel safe. But come out a bit so that I can hit him. Oh, dude, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I died.
Is Gordon Freeman real? Gordon Freeman is an American man from Seattle who graduated from MIT with a PhD in theoretical physics.
Is this the Wikipedia?
This is just what Google's pulling from. Is G-Man good or bad? Ooh,
Spoilers?
I'm not gonna read that one to you. I ain't gotta read that one to you.
G-Man is gonna reveal himself and he's just gonna be fucking Gabe Newell. And he'll just be like, LOL, you thought.
Well, I believe it.
Yeah, I'd believe it too. Because I'm still waiting for Left 4 Dead 3.
You know it was in development, right?
Was it?
Yeah, many times.
Actually, I think I did hear that. But when is it gonna become?
That might not get anything going on.
That's
They-
so
they get
sad.
canceled.
There's that. Okay, so
Hold on.
we watched the Game
Hold
Awards
up. Hold up.
Pandemic
Hold
Edition.
Up. Hold up. Hold up.
What?
Just kidding. You can go.
So we watched the Game Awards Pandemic Edition, and
What are you
fucking
doing?
there's that game that's literally like Left 4 Dead, but it's not Left 4
Okay.
Dead. I forgot what it's called.
It's Back for Blood.
But it's by the people that created or helped make Left 4 Dead.
Yeah. So this is what happened. A lot of the people that used to work at Valve left because Valve was like, "Well, we don't want to make any more games," and they created their own studio called Turtle Rock, and they created a game. We actually played it on the channel years ago. I think it was called like Prey, maybe.
Mhm.
It's kind of just like Left 4 Dead, but there's like a giant like boss monster thing. And for whatever reason, it totally bombed. I don't remember why.
Oh
But
my god,
yeah,
I'm
it's from
100.
it's from the same studio.
We're saving. Hold on. Save.
So it's from the same studio. So yeah, it's literally by the same people that made Left 4 Dead. But like, I don't know. But Left 4 Dead 3.
Am I facing the right way?
You're facing front.
Oh, there's the helicopter.
Left 4 Dead 3
Helicopter.
was open world. And it took place in Morocco.
Left 4 Dead 3 in Morocco? Wait, that's kind of pog.
It was open world.
That sounds fun.
Like Breath of the Wild.
Die!
That's,
Die, zombie. Wait, I'm gonna go over here. Maybe I need to like alternate directions or some shit. I have no idea. Oh my god, I'm running out of ammo. Out of ammo? I think I use that like every fucking-
game.
Every game, literally.
Like it doesn't.
Wait, where is it?
Like. could
Oh
be-
fuck, it's right here. Oh my god.
With Demon Souls arrows. You use it with.
And it's
Cyberpunk
funny because
ammo.
like we never even played the second one.
Oh, the
We're
Evil
talking
Within
about
too.
Evil Within, by the
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah.
For those that don't know where that out of ammo is from. Oh my god, what's it doing? Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god, is this the... I'm trying not to hit the flammable barrels that are in the water. Where are you? Hello? Why are you a fucking... beep? Yo, I'm gonna die. I have no ammo. Oh my god, I died. Oh my god, they're almost dead.
Like, are you letting it win, bro? Are you letting it win?
No.
Because if you are, you should stop.
You're an asshole. I'm not letting it win. I just suck, okay? I'm trying to figure out... I'm trying to figure out the correct path or whatever.
Because this is the thing. Like, we gotta make a death montage. But if we're talking about cool shit,
A death montage for Half-Life?
yes, dude, don't even ask me. Death montage in Half-Life. I will make the death montage, but it needs to happen. Like, I don't live lazy. I don't give a fuck. Death montage. is my
Okay,
jam.
we're gonna run. Oh my god. I hit it.
Damn.
Oh my god, I hit it. That's really stupid of me! Oh, I hate this! This isn't fun. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait until it's done shooting its shit. Or not. I don't fucking know. Oh my god. I need healing, dude.
Get all the healing. Dude.
Is he ever gonna stop?
Nah, dude, he's waiting for you.
Oh my god. I hate this. Oh my god! I don't know what to do. Okay, okay. They're alerted. They're alerted.
First
They're
of all,
alerted.
Maybe you should have saved those boxes for when you needed them.
Oh my god. Wait, yeah, actually, that would have been a good idea.
Like, damn, boy, you're such a dude.
I'm gonna go over here. Oh my god. Don't run into that.
Don't be mean.
Ah! Die! Motherfucker!
Die, zombie. Like, you need to turn around now and shoot it when it's away from you. And now's the time you should be shooting at it. Damn, you fucked up.
Okay, backseat gamer.
Okay, get out of there. Go, go, go.
Ah!
Okay, turn around, quick.
What? Right now?
Shoot it.
But
Okay,
I want to
get out of there,
hide. I want to
No, no, hide, bro.
hide.
Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Go, go, go. Turn around, get behind it, get behind it, get behind it. Go, go, go. Shoot it, shoot it. Boo, 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 woo, 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 woo. Why are you shooting?
Because I ran out of ammo.
Woo. Get out of the fucking droppers, bro. Woo.
Too far?
Now you got it. Go, go, go. Shoot him. Woo. Get out of there. Go, go, go. Turn around, turn around.
Yo, backseat
Oh,
gamer.
you like it. You like
Shut the
it.
fuck up. Oh my god. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
bro, you gotta
Oh my
get
god,
out
oh my
of
god,
the
oh my god, oh my
dropper.
god.
Shoot him, shoot him.
I can't.
yourself
I gotta
up.
turn around. Where is he? Hello? Oh my god.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Backseat gamer.
You're welcome.
It's now backseat gamer and girl gamer.
Backseat gamer and girl gamer.
Backseat. Alright. Am I safe though? I swear. You don't know what I've been through. If this game fucking tries to blow all this other shit on me, then I'm going to get very angry.
Gonna blow shit on you left and right, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna actually loot really quick for fucking health and stuff. But I think I might have picked everything up. I don't know. I don't know what's beyond this point. It makes me uncomfortable that there was like a helicopter pad over there. Like that fucking round thing over there.
The silo.
Is that even? I don't know. Maybe that's not the way to go.
The silo.
Maybe I need to go over here.
The water tower.
Why does the fucking water sound so loud?
Listen, Bab.
What the fuck? It's even louder. Is this a dam?
I consulted Game
Huh?
New. I consulted Game New.
You consulted Gabe Newell?
Yeah, I consulted.
Game New.
Game New?
You consulted Game New?
No, Game Newell.
Gabe Newell.
Yeah. He told me a little something about this game.
What did he tell you?
He said, it's gonna fuck up your day.
I mean, it already has.
So it's good.
Wait, can I loot the helicopter?
What you gotta loot off of it? Precious metals?
Armor. Fucking souls, fashion souls.
No fashion soul.
Where's the right fucking helicopter? Wait, no, there aren't wings.
First of all,
The right helicopter propel. Oh, what the fuck?
first of all,
Oh?
first of all,
Wait, could I have opened this while I was in the fight?
maybe.
Maybe I could have just
Maybe
left.
you could have skipped the whole
Maybe I
dang
could have
fight.
skipped the fucking fight.
And I want you to know that I consulted Gordon Freeman,
Okay.
and he told me that sometimes you can just skip the fight.
Really?
Sometimes.
Is this his gun? Motherfucker.
That was his big.
You got
That was-
tiny pee-pee
That
gun.
was his big.
Oh my god. I just want to go up the ramp. Oh, there's an
ladder.
arrow. I mean, oh, an
There's
arrow.
an arrow. What? What? What logic are you using? Like, what firmware are you on? I think you need to update.
I don't know why I said that. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. No, I don't want to go up with that in case. I feel like, honestly, my fucking boat has, like, stronger... There we go. Gun. capacity.
I mean, it has unlimited ammo. It just has to recharge.
So listen. Oh shit, there is someone over there. Okay, so I was about to say, this is my logic. Obviously, there was a fucking helicopter pad here, right? Which means
Where's
there
your
were
logic?
obviously people up here. And then that just kind of confirmed what I was thinking.
Maybe. But I'm not gonna guarantee it.
So what's over here? There's more shit to do? Nani? What's in here? Oh, fuck! Me, daddy! What the fuck? Can I go up the stairs and shoot them with my boat? With my OP ammo? Oh my god!
You kicking ass?
Was that it?
I mean, who's talking? Who's that voice?
It's their, like, radio bitch.
Like, where is she?
I don't know. This says observation.
Maybe you should observe.
There's something over here. Oh, wait. Is there? Oh! There's more stuff over here.
You need to observe.
What's down here? I'm
Observe.
curious. Observation. Oh my god. I heard something.
Get ready for action.
Hold on.
Really, bro?
Save just in case.
Don't be a save scum.
What the fuck is that?
You a dang save scum, boy. Oh shit, we're getting close to something. Oh, that excites me. Maybe next 2 episodes. Oh shit, I'm excited.
Wait, what?
I'm excited, boys.
You're making me nervous. You're making me nervous. Why do you say that? Then why say it? How can I use this?
Yeah, push the use button.
I can't. Oh, there we go.
Have a use button.
Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's go back.
Yikes.
Let's go back. Let's go back. We haven't even explored the inside of that area. Wait, is this a ladder? Yeah, this is a ladder.
Yikes.
Oh my god, crows.
Aren't they your friend?
Yeah, they are my friends, but
Like legit, guys. She talks to crows daily.
I do. Only when they come to my window, though.
And what do you say to them?
I'm not even joking. Like, legit. I actually talk to crows.
She's crow whipper.
I'm sorry. If you think it's weird, then you can fucking suck my dick.
She opens a window and she whips the
What's all
crow.
this shit? Okay, so there were only 2 enemies in here, obviously.
That's what you think.
Oh my god! Fucking jackpot, dude!
There could be ninjas on the ceilings. There could be Gabe Newells.
They all come down.
You know, Gabe Newell is Sandy Claus.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I watched fucking Klaus on Netflix. If you haven't seen Klaus on Netflix,
I
you should
haven't
watch
seen
it.
Klaus.
It's really cute.
I won't watch it.
It's obviously a Christmas type movie. Okay, I'm obviously
no one
topped up.
cares about Klaus.
It's a Christmas movie.
Christmas was like last week, dude.
Like listen, I don't give a fuck, okay? It's a Netflix original, so, you know, sometimes they're pretty good. I mean, look at fucking, like, Kakegurui and shit. Alright, let's go. Boatman's Autobot.